Open this up, boys. What's inside?
Whoa!
So Declan's birthday is next week.
Mommy, I want help.
What do you think it is, boys?
It's a gun.
Cool. So they've played with Nerf guns before, and the Nerf guns are it's just too hard for them to pull. So I found this, and I thought that they might enjoy it. Good job, Declan.
Mommy, do it.
Oh, thank you, Callahan. Okay, I think there's another one on this side. Kaylin, you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, that again?
It's for you guys. Okay. Slide it through. Woo! Good job. Okay, let me see that. Thank you so much. Okay. Woo, okay. There are lots of parts. Let's not lose any of the parts.
Yay! Mommy, just
Ooh.
space. Mommy, just space.
Yeah, we're gonna have to assemble it. Let's take all the parts out. Put them on the table. Cool. That's awesome. Let's take everything out. Put them on the table so we can set it up, guys. Uh-oh, we're losing parts, boys. It just requires the 4 batteries, and I do prefer when it has this like extra secure feature, because then the kids can't get into it. They literally don't know where this is at, so I like it. It is a hassle though, as like a parent. Sometimes I have to find the smallest screwdriver, or I think this is a Phillips. Smallest Phillips that you can have. But I wanted to get the full effect. Wow, that's intense. And it also comes with a remote. So I'm going to test this out. I think there's a battery in here already because it has this pull-out thing. So we will see. I did test it out. I put Declan's, and you can put the balls in through there because it's a little stretchy, because obviously it does come out. Gonna load up Declan's. Gonna have him go first since it is his birthday that's coming up. You're getting too close. See how it can go like that? Scoot back, Declan. One thing that is a con about this is the volume of the music does not lower. We can only play it pretty much when Adelina's not sleeping or the kids aren't going to bed, because then they want to play with it. So that is definitely one of the things that I don't really care too much about.
That's full.
There it goes. It's building up. It's building up. Aim. Oh, you made it! Good job. Oh, snap. It moves. Hurry, shoot. Shoot.
I don't think Daddy can hit it if it's moving. We ended up relocating this to the fireplace just because there was more surface area for the robot to go around, and it was getting caught on the rug that we had in the office. So if you have a lot of surfaces that are transitioning from tile to wood floors or even rugs, that might be a problem and a con for you. This situation, it was fine. We were just able to relocate it, but just wanted to share that with you.
Oh, yeah, reload.
You're so good at reloading this.
You having a lot of fun, dude? You did a good job. I'm going to call you Shooter Pete.
Shooter Pete?
Shooter Pete. Shoot up. I'm going to shoot up. Shooter Pete. Shooter Pete.
Like an alien shoot.
Yep,
Like,
you're killing aliens.
Blasting aliens.
Blasting aliens and planet landing.
There's a lot of UFOs flying around.
And
Are you an astronaut?
Yeah.
A shooting
With a
astronaut?
gun?
And
Shoot a Pete.
shoot alien.
Shooting aliens.
Good job, bud. These boys definitely enjoyed playing with this, and it got them off of watching TV, so I was really happy about that. And they are able to push the trigger to like make the bullet come out. However, they don't have really good aim, so I think that the age range for this of 3+ is a little off, because Declan's going to be 4 and he still doesn't know how to aim. So I think that they'll definitely be using this as they get older, but I just wanted to put that out there as well.
Ah! Die, alien!
No. Shoot the big. No, shoot the big one.
Alright, get your balls, dude. Get your balls, get your balls, get your balls. Load up, load up. Okay, now it's gonna shoot. Oh!
I know, you're doing it too.
Okay,
Rambo.
You see how it's gonna shoot? Good job!
Look at him shooting your brother.
3 for 3!
Woo!
Feel the tension? Okay. What? 4 for 4? No way!
You want to point the gun down when you are trying to create that tension. So wanted to point that out as well, because that was a learning lesson for myself and the littles, and it allows you, once you are ready to shoot, just to point it straight and it will pop up really easily.